Okay, so then let's do another unboxing, which is the women's.
For today's review, we'll be looking at the MVMT Watch, or shall we say Movement Watch, for the women's. Is the silver Arctic leather style, which you can also see at the website, or if you go to the description below, you'll see a link to my website where you'll get a more in-depth review of this particular watch, should you be interested, after I do the unboxing and describe the watch itself in this video. So this watch, as you can see, has 70 reviews. Most of them are 5 stars. In totality, it's 4.5, and it's part of their signature series 38 millimeter. It's the silver Arctic leather watch with a nice leather strap, and retails for $115. For the details of the watch, the case size is 38 millimeter, hence the name of the line itself, which is the 38 millimeter signature series. The thickness of the case is 10 millimeter, strap width of 18, and the movement of the watch is Miyota quartz. If you're unfamiliar with how watches are powered in this world, it's dominated by two types of movements, which is the Japanese version and then the Swiss version. And just exactly what is a movement? Because before we proceed any further, we need to first of all understand what watch movements are. Movements are like the brains of the watch and can be likened to the functionality of the engine in the car, as it has a similar purpose in driving all the intricate gears and general timekeeping coordination. And there is a trio of watch movements available with quartz and mechanical alteration, proving the most common among watchmakers. One of the most common, most popular ones is the Japanese Miyota Precision Quartz. And as evident from its name, it's a quartz movement mechanism refined and honed under the tutelage of Japanese watch movement manufacturer Miyota. The company itself was founded a year shy of 1960 and is under the umbrella of the Citizen Watch. And you can imagine that the Citizen Watches is powered by the Japanese Miyota movement. And how does the Japanese Miyota quartz itself compare to its other competitor, which is the main competitor, which is the Swiss movements? While the Japanese watchmaking industry doesn't have as a rich history as their Swiss counterparts, it is safe to say that they can more than hold their own against the competition at the moment, especially since almost all the Asian-made watches are powered by the Japanese movements. The precision quartz movement prides itself in deadly accuracy, hence the name precision. The difference between the pair stem right from manufacturing, with the Japanese employing automated robotics, whose accuracy is unrivaled even by the Swiss standards. The latter, on the other hand, is more focused on aesthetically appealing designs, which are sometimes achieved through hand assembly. The different approaches to design results in the precision quartz being relatively cheaper compared to the Swiss movement watches, but make no mistake about it, it is not a sign below par quality. It's low price tag for any watches that use the Miyota movement. Its low price tag does not mean it's low quality. It is just the way it's manufactured, where the Japanese use automated robotics, where the Swiss use hand labor to manufacture their movements. After rambling a little bit about the Miyota quartz movement, hopefully you learned something. Let us actually get back to the unboxing of the watch and the review of the Silver Arctic watch for MVMT or movement. The glass itself, again, is a hardened mineral crystal, and the water resistance is 3 ATM. If you're unfamiliar with the ATM table, it's a measure in terms of water resistance and whether or not you can actually shower with the watch, or if you can go diving in the Atlantic Ocean trying to find the Titanic. So for the range is 0 ATM. That's just splash proof, meaning you can just dabble water on it, but you can't really shower with it. But with this particular watch, which is the 3 ATM watch, you can actually take this to shower, so you can look good and take a shower at the same time in the morning. The case itself is a brushed silver stainless steel. The dial is silver with silver hands and markers and silver second hands. So if you like silver, you'll definitely like the watch. And the strap itself is blue, 100% leather. And as I go through the unboxing, you'll see exactly in close look up of how the front of it is blue, but the inside of it is more like a tan leather inside. As for the reviews themselves, you can go on the website. Again, they have 70 customer reviews, 4.5 stars in totality as an average. Generally, again, it obviously has a lot of very good reviews. on the website, in particular Barbara G, who says, I'm very pleased with this watch. As fat, I guess that means as far as I can tell, keeps perfect time, looks great, and it's great. Wonderful. And Alex G says, it's a perfect gift, which looks great and works great. Looking forward to getting another one for myself. And Miss K says, I am delighted. My new watch, sleek, stylish, cool, with a strap that adjusts to my slim wrist, high quality design, and manufactured at a great price. I think she meant the watch at a great price. And she thanks Movement. So it does have a lot of good positive reviews, 70 of them. Most of them are 5 stars, 4.5. So if it's something that you are looking for Mother's Day, which is upcoming, or for just a gift for a significant other, definitely check out all the different reviews and do your research before you purchase the watch itself.